What's going on, guys? It's Jesse back here with another episode of BUCKED Bronco on my YouTube channel here. So today I'm going to take a look at everything I've done to the Bronco up until this point and what to expect in the future. I've done a lot of stuff very recently, so I want to update you guys on there and what's been installed and what to expect from me in the future. If I'm going to any car meets and stuff like that and Bronco meetups and stuff like that. But as you can see on the screen, it's here, so let's go with the new intro. So what's going on, guys? It's been a bit. Starting to put out more videos now that I actually got the mods all situated. It's been a busy, hectic schedule with the Bronco here for a while. But everything installed, everything came in. I've done a lot to it. So as you can see, this is the current state of the Bronco in the picture here. So what I've done is, as you can see, it's lifted. I went with a rough country 5-inch lift as the base, but then I added some RPG perch collars on there. I'm just waiting for new coilovers to come in so I can stretch it a little bit and take those perch collars off. But I needed the clearance to clear these 40s, these massive Cooper 40s. There are 40 by 13 and a halfs on 17-inch Dirty Life wheels, DT1s. Let me see. Let me get out of this. You can see here I've done a lot of here it is, stock, guys. So there it is, and it is currently, so here I put the sticker fab front sticker on the front Bronco overlay. I did the sticker fab tail light overlays here. I did the side and the rear and the front as well. So here's a picture of those big Coopers. I did get 5, as you can see. So I did do a spare, which I want to talk about in here a little bit. I did do the JKS tie bar, tie rod brace there, that way thing. Obviously I did more sticker fab goodies there to match my gold and black theme. And then this was actually in the shop where they lifted it for the first time. And this was the preview picture he sent me. I was ecstatic. I was like, man, that looks so good. So obviously there, here's one that I took when I first got it home. I mean, guys, it turned out freaking awesome. And then I added, obviously, that on this day, I added the NFAB gloss black side steps. You can see I added the fender deletes from Bushwhacker as well. I do have upper control arms coming in. Those are just stock ones for right now. It surprisingly rides really well, guys. I have no complaints about how it rides. I've driven lifted vehicles basically my whole life, and this one rides pretty damn well on 40s. You can see the DT left wheels, the Dirty Life DT1s. I did install the Craving Speed the stubby antenna. I think it has great reception for what it is. I did do, just the small stuff here. This license plate frame from Tactilian. That's pretty cool. And then I got on to the rear. I did do a hammer belt tailgate reinforcement here with the Hook Road spacers, just so I could space it up a little bit to fit that 40 on there. This all went on pretty well. No complaints there. Here's another shot of another mod I did. I did the Bad Bronco pearl black rear emblem. Just a little subtle touch there. And then here is when I finally mounted that big old 40 on the rear, so you guys can see how it looks. I think it just turned out badass on there. And then up until this point, I've just been enjoying the Bronco, taking it everywhere. People want to stop me, take pictures. They're like, man, that's what this Bronco is supposed to be like. And that's what I really envisioned. I wanted my Bronco to be big. I love big lifted trucks and SUVs. So that's what I wanted. And this is kind of what I envisioned for my Bronco. As you can see here, here it is again with that spare on there. And then the last thing I did show you in the beginning was I went to a Tampa Bay Bronco meetup, and there it is there. My son hanging out the rear. It's actually my son's birthday on that day. People loved it, and I might get some hate, oh, it's a rough country lift, da 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 da. But it's what I like. It's the only one out that actually will lift it that high, so that's what I went with. Last but not least, I just got this installed the other day, which was a Fab Fours rear bumper. It turned out awesome. So yeah, I I planed it out pretty well. As you can see, it looks pretty badass. The only things I have left is um, I have Oracle front lights coming in, fog light kit coming in. I do have some suspension goodies, like I mentioned, coming in, and then I'll probably just enjoy it for a little bit. I do have a wrap going on. It's going to be a retro inspired wrap down both sides and maybe on the hood bulge, but that's stay tuned for that because I'm still trying to find the right company to do that for me. So, but I plan to take it and enjoy it, and stay tuned for more pictures. Always stay tuned for more updates. I probably do an intake here soon. I did do the Flowmaster exhaust as previously saw, but I still have a bunch of stuff in store for this. I'm not done yet, trust me. And I will be posting, all the Bronco news and mods still on the channel. So please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I appreciate all of you guys following. Thanks.